program and our ACES program, which is our after-school program. We have some providers here that are from our B Street Theater. It gives them a place to belong and being able to hear their voice and what they like to do. It keeps them engaged.
I love it because I can show my feelings. I can show how I feel right now. I'm just like a hyper girl.
B Street, they're nice people. They get to teach us. We get to scream and be silly and run about.
The B Street was able to help them, along with our 916 Inc. They're able to help them write and work on their social and emotional skills.
I love the people around me because they can help me show my feelings. They can help me embrace myself.
Oh, nice.
My hope is that all the children can have an equal opportunity to have their voices heard and then be able to participate in everything that they do here at the center.
I just love this place.